These are the tools you need to replace the thermostat on a DT466. You need a 10mm. You can use a screwdriver, or you can use a 5/16 or 8mm for the clamp. First thing we're going to do is drain our reservoir. Put some pliers on here and just turn it counterclockwise. There we go. Ooh, already coming out. Okay. We're going to disassemble the top radiator hose. Remove the bottom clamp. And we're just going to take a screwdriver and just break the seal loose. Just twist it loose on the bottom. Just break it loose and pull it right on up. You will make a little of a mess. It happens. Let's get the clamp. We'll take a 10mm, remove the 2 bolts. Just pull right up on our thermostat. And there she is. I want to point out something here. A lot of times you may think it's your thermostat that is bad on your vehicle, and when a thermostat is really bad, it's just the engine is just going to get hot and stay hot. It will not cool down. But chances are on a DT466, a lot of times you'll find the charger air cooler and the radiator just completely stopped up. So that's something you want to look out for. Here's the thermostat. This is the part number here, and the price too as well. And we're going to remove the old O-ring. Take a rag, and we're just going to wipe the surface clean. And you just want to make sure it's clean inside where the O-ring sits. And your O-ring will actually be on your thermostat. Just put the thermostat back down in the hole. And there's only one way for it to go. So that's the wrong way, which you can see. Just turn it over. We have 2 10mm bolts. You want to put them back in place. Make sure we get them good and tight. I have a new hose here I'm going to install, a new top hose. This is the part number. And you don't have to necessarily install and change your hose, but mine's is overdue and yours probably in good shape. Just gonna put my clamp around the hose. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put it back in place. I'm using a 5/16 socket with a 1/4 inch ratchet, or you can use an 8mm. What we have to do now is just replenish our coolant reservoir. Just top off your reservoir Let's start the vehicle. You want to check for leaks? Once we reach operating temperature, we'll shut her off, make sure our coolant level is correct, and we'll put the radiator cap back on. Well, the vehicle has reached operating temperature, so I'll put the radiator cap back on, and I checked for leaks. There was no leaks found, and you just want to make sure you do that, check behind yourself. It was a good time to put on a new upper radiator hose. I want to thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Take care, and God bless.